Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Teams and joining the meeting or using the pre-join camera preview. This gets you to the controls you need. Once done, click the camera image or the three dots and choose Apply Background Effects so the background pane appears. Make sure your camera is on and lighting is decent. The background feature relies on contrast between you and the backdrop. This step is quick, and it unlocks the next configuration options for replacing or blurring your background. Now choose a background. Pick one of Teams' built-ins or click Add New to upload your own image. You do this because custom images personalize meetings. Once uploaded, select the image and hit Preview to check framing and how edges look against your hair or headset. If the subject fringing appears, try a different photo or adjust your lighting. Make sure file type and resolution match recommendations. That reduces stretching and gives a natural-looking replacement during video. To finish, click Apply to set the background for this meeting and then Join. If you want it for all calls, go to Settings Devices and change Default Background Options. Once applied, observe movement. If the effect lags, close other camera apps and free CPU. If the background fails or shows artifacts, update Teams to the latest version or switch to the Teams web client. That often fixes compatibility. Remember, good lighting and a simple backdrop help the algorithms separate you from the background.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.